In corporate settings, training programs are a cornerstone in building a company's success. To achieve this, training programs must have the standards of quality and efficiency.
However, in a work from home setting, there's often a heavy reliance on pre recorded videos. But is that enough?
What if we enhance these materials to make them more interactive and engaging for trainees? What if we create a program that fosters a sense of professional growth among employees?
To elevate the company's current training program, we propose using the Understanding by Design or the UBD framework. The UBD model provides concise and practical guidance for inexperienced and experienced freelancers in the company.
In this speech, our team will demonstrate how UBD aligns with our learning objectives, drawing from learning theories and design principles, and applying the data collected during our analysis phase to create a feasible, effective, and engaging experience. Pivotal Solutions is one of the leading national staffing and consulting firms specializing in IT and technology for over 20 years. Its main setup is a work-from-home arrangement where the current training primarily relies on pre-recorded videos. While these videos provide basic knowledge, newly hired employees and those new to the industry often struggle to connect and apply what they've learned to real-world tasks. This creates a gap in applying the training effectively. Our target freelancers are freelancers ages 18 to 34 with different levels of experience from beginners to experts. Based on the data gathered by the team, there were suggestions indicating a desire for a more hands-on experience, interactive learning, and actionable outcomes. To address these demands and challenges, we need to design a program that focuses on learner-centered outcomes. We believe that the Understanding by Design framework will help us achieve this. Our learning objectives are the foundation of this training program, shaped by a thorough needs assessment to address the real challenges and preferences of freelancers from Pivotal Solution. By aligning every activity and assessment with these goals, we ensure that the training is focused, relevant, and practical. The objective isn't just to teach concepts, it's to empower freelancers to confidently apply their skills in real-world situations, driving success both in their niche and broader industry.
Why did we choose UBD? Developed by Grant Wiggins and Jay McTighe, the UBD model uses backward design, starting with the end goals in mind. This method ensures that everything in the training program is aligned with the desired outcomes. According to Biggs and Tang, backward design makes learning clearer and more effective.
Additionally, Hattie and Tipperley emphasized how feedback is crucial for improving learning. UBD includes authentic assessments, which provide real-time feedback to freelancers, helping them improve as they go along. This feedback loop addresses the issues freelancers face during the analysis phase, ensuring they get the support they need.
Let's talk about why we choose Understanding by Design or the UBD developed by Grant Wiggins and Jay McTighe. Imagine a journey with a destination already mapped out well. That's exactly what UBD does. It flips the traditional approach by beginning with the end in mind, making sure every step of the way is aligned with our goals.
Research backed this up. Biggs and Tang found that backward design not only clarifies what freelancers need to achieve, but also makes the entire process more impactful. And there's feedback, the game changer. According to Haley and Timberlake, UBD builds feedback into its core, with authentic assessments giving freelancers real-time insights they can act on immediately.
For freelancers, this is not just a theory, it's a transformation. By addressing their challenges with feedback and alignment, we were not just teaching skills, we were equipping them to thrive in their fields step by step.
To bridge the gaps in the training program, we have outlined specific goals to enhance training outcomes. First, we focus on improving skill acquisition and retention by using interactive, hands-on methods. Next, we aim to provide mentorship and advanced training opportunities. Finally, we tailor the training to address the different roles and needs of our freelancers. Through these strategies, we are committed to cultivating a workforce that is not only confident and skilled, but also fully engaged in their roles.
Now, let's move to the second stage of the UBD model, which is about identifying the essential questions that guide our training design. First, how can training materials address the needs of both novice and experienced freelancers? Second, how can interactive learning methods and mentorship enhance engagement and application? Third, how can training be tailored to align with specific roles and responsibilities? These questions are the foundation of our design. They help us stay focused on the diverse experiences and goals of our freelancers while ensuring the program is practical, relevant, and aligned with the real world challenges freelancers face.
Now, let's take a look at how our learning or training plan is organized. We've structured it using the where to model, ensuring that each step is aligned with the needs of the freelancers and to ensure that the training is learner focused and impactful. The first one is W, which stands for where and why. Freelancers will understand training objectives and see how these relate to their current roles. Next, we have H, which stands for hook. The training starts with engaging scenarios to spark their curiosity. Next is E, which stands for explore. Pre-recorded videos will provide foundational skills enhanced by simulations and live sessions. Next is R, which stands for rethink. Live Q&A sessions and peer reviews will challenge learners to refine their understanding. Next is E, which stands for evaluate. Mentorship programs will give freelancers real-time feedback and support for continuous improvement. Next, we have T, which stands for tailor. Materials and delivery will be customized for different freelancer roles. The last one we have is O, which stands for organize. Training progresses from foundational skills to advanced topics, ending with a capstone project. This learning plan guarantees that our training program is not just informative, but transformative, moving freelancers from passive recipients to active practitioners.
One way we're improving the training is by adding interactive learning enhancements, which address the gaps identified in the analysis phase. These include live Q&A sessions, real-time discussions for immediate clarification of concepts, simulations, hands-on tasks mimicking real-world scenarios to enhance application, and mentorship programs, weekly or bi-weekly sessions to provide personalized guidance, support, and feedback. As for experienced freelancers, we are adding advanced modules to help them stay competitive and improve their skills. These include data accuracy techniques, advanced Excel and Google Sheets functions, and best practices for client communication.
Assessment plays a vital role in the UBD framework, guiding both teaching and learning. Here's how we ensure effective evaluation. In the performance tasks, through simulations, hands-on activities, and group projects, freelancers are challenged to apply their knowledge and skills in real-world scenarios. In surveys and quizzes, these tools provide quick insights into knowledge retention, engagement levels, and overall satisfaction. For mentorship and feedback, personalized feedback from mentors highlights growth areas and helps address individual challenges.
Now, let's discuss feasibility. Implementing this program will require the following. The first one is technology. Tools like learning management systems, video conferencing platforms, and simulation software. Second, the people, including the trainers, mentors, and technical support staff to run the program and assist freelancers. The rollout will happen in phases, starting with the foundational modules and gradually introducing advanced topics. A support plan will ensure freelancers have access to help whenever they need it. This plan is practical, scalable, and cost-effective, making it highly feasible for pivotal solutions. By implementing this design, we anticipate several key outcomes. Increased learner engagement and satisfaction, thanks to interactive methods and mentorship. Improved skill acquisition and retention with tailored training and hands-on practice. And enhanced learner confidence and readiness for real-world applications. To conclude our presentation, this instructional design project addresses the identified challenges, leverages data, and evidence to support its claim, and aligns with instructional design principles to achieve meaningful learning outcomes. Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to your questions and feedback.